Counseling, so far the other candidates have concerned, it has completed.
Counseling for the post.
With the leave of
1,400. The counseling of the candidates other than 1,400 which you are allotted just now, that counseling have completed. But again, fresh counseling. Your lordship is directing fresh counseling. Correct. 14th, 1,400.
one thing only. May I just the provisional panel and merit list was published with the leave of your lordships. Yes, and no, yes.
No.
The counseling on the basis of the provisional panel was completed. So the schools are already chosen by the majority candidates. Now,
That's right, exactly.
Now when we recast,
no, my lord,
when we recast the panel, including those who were excluded, for them only the counseling will be held.
No, your lordships have directed, if I have rightly heard your lordship, that counseling will start, kindly see, and panel will be published. Already, my lord, the counseling has begun. Counseling, excepting one, except
May I?
correct, my lord, only the clarify that part, my lord, the counseling which has been complete. Kindly read, my lord, next sentence. Your lordship's order. Correct.
Yes.
This is with the complete the counseling process means which has already been finished. That will again start or not start? Clarify that part.
My lord,
Yes.
may I apprise the court, my lord?
May I make one submissions before your lordship?
The court, my lord, because already in pursuance of merit list published by the SSC, they hold the counseling, but that counseling is not sustainable. Why? Why? Because of that. Suppose.
My lord, may I make one humble submissions before your lordship?
Yes.
And now I tell your lordships, my lord, your lordships were not audible before, my lord. That's why I could not, my lord, listen to your lordships' entire delivery of judgment. But as I understand, your lordships directing the counseling of the left out candidates.
But that is not possible.
We have said, because we have said that you include the persons whom you have excluded after rechecking.
Correct.
So,
That's,
after
I get it.
persons whoever have been excluded will be included in the final list of 14052 candidates.
Yes.
I get your lordship's point.
5 candidates will be that publication upon recasting will be done within 4 weeks, and thereafter within 4 weeks thereafter the process of counseling and recommendation has to be completed, and thereafter
That means fresh counseling.
That's your lordship. My lord, what has happened in the meantime? They have
What your lordships have said.
No, Mr.
Thereafter, counseling would begin.
We have said within 4 weeks thereafter, that is after the recast and publication of the panel, the commission shall hold counseling and recommend all the 14052.
Yes. Can you clarify that part? That means whether the kindly clear it, counseling will be a fresh counseling, de novo counseling, or the counseling which has been completed. Along with that, the 1,400 something is counseling.
De novo counseling is a must. De novo counseling has to be done.
But may I explain why fresh counseling is necessary?
Final list is not a valid one.
What inconvenience you will face if you face counseling is held?
No, that I am not saying. Whether I am not saying that. Whether I will face difficulties or whether not I will not face difficulties. The point is, the counseling has been completed. Excepting this 1,400 which have been made eligible.
No. Counseling of which persons are completed?
So they must.
The successful candidates
in the panel.
In the panel.
1463 were excluded.
Yes, now your lordship wants to include
Right.
1460.
Now the panel has to be recast, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. It will be recast.
Exactly.
Publication will be made.
Yes.
Now, suppose any counseling was done, good, bad, indifferent, whatever it is, you are there in the list. They will
I
choose
have
the
no
vacancy.
difficulties. I am saying the fresh counseling or no.
So this is within the
Yes.
understanding of the commission. If further altered, it may give rise to further provisions. তাই না? We
My lord.
direct the commission to prepare and publish the final merit list and the panel in terms of the rules within 4 weeks. Within a period of 4 weeks thereafter, the commission shall hold counseling
Yes.
and record
Exactly.
all the
Yes.
1405.
Fresh council.
Yes,
Yes,
counsel.
only the-
Yes, counsel. Grateful, my lord.
Kindly, excuse me, shall hold the counseling and recommend 1450. That means 1450
Huh.
restricted.
Yes,
1450 restricted.
restricted.
Yes.
Grateful.
You are
No,
doing-
I know, my lord. I am.
So why we said so? Let us explain, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. Why we said so? That is for this reason. Since whatever provisional list they published, 13,333 vacancies, now they have to publish the fresh final list and the list. And now the commission will call them for choosing the vacancy so that you can.
My lord, may I clarify one thing? If I understood properly, my lord, suppose my lord, one candidate who hosted out for their reassessment, he might be choose that seat already choose by the others. His rank might be higher. My lord, then fresh counseling is the only solution. Why I say so? Because of that. Suppose,
We have said that
We have
whole
said
council
that-
recommend.
fresh counseling,
We have said that hold the counseling and recommend but 14,052 candidates.
Yes.
yes, then my lord, grateful.
Anyway,
That's malad will create a problem. Ekta.
not stall the in appointment. That is the most important things in this matter.
Grateful, my lord. The Shubhankar.
That is the most important thing. The answer to this.
We think no word is required to be added.
No, that is enough. That is enough. That is enough.
My
Fresh
lord,
counseling, that is
kindly
grateful,
speak.
my lord.
Kindly see. Your lordships are the final arbiter.
No,
If your lordships are clear, then there is no difficulty. We may say so many things.
no, your assistance is
No, naturally.
what we have said.
Anyway, Miller, I think
No, what your the question which you have put, we have thought over this issue. Now it may, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, today it may so happen upon that recasting, say one candidate as per the marks may go to a particular position which might create some more confusion in the
therefore
mind.
only kindly see. If it is happened, it is necessary. If it is not happened, Miller, there is also that if it is not happened. Suppose Miller, let's
We
assume.
have burdened them with this
Just,
part.
just I am giving your lordship is correct. Just giving an example. Up to 9,000, nobody after recasting is coming. Up to 9,000, no counseling is required. Suppose after 9,000, they are coming, there the counseling is required. Your lordship's view is also that those if they get the higher rank, higher position, they will get the priority in the counseling. That's your lordship's intention. Exactly. That's
So we said that so that no further confusion is
Yes.
created.
Miller,
Grateful.
14,000, Miller, 14,000 are clear, we are happy.
14,052.
14,052.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Do we add a few more?
52
I
is
don't have any difficulties, Milan. I don't have it. Board may think about that. I don't have any difficulty.
Mr. Doctor,
Milan, after long years,
we have clarified everything. You had been all through in the hearing. Ensure that if it is not taken up to a higher forum, ensure that as soon as you can pursue. Finish it off. Finish it off.
we also
Milan, after long years, from the Calcutta High Court, Milan, names are cleared for the appointment. Milan, we are so grateful to your lordship.
No.
Everywhere no employment, here is employment.
Grateful, my lord.
Thank
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
for the next
Grateful, my lord.
time.
What's up, guys?